It's Liz from Little Homestead on the Hill, and today not much going on. It is a very rainy day, and they're talking about tornadoes, and I'm like, yeah, no, I don't like that. But so I just thought I would take you guys with me as I clean the house today and just do some stuff. So I just put some pulled pork in the crock pot that my husband smoked probably about a month ago. It's been in the freezer, so we can have some pulled pork sandwiches for dinner tonight and some coleslaw. And I gotta get my house clean. It's a mess. And that's pretty much it about today. Maybe I'll do some seeding, but I'm not sure. I did go out yesterday and buy stuff to seed, but I'm not sure if I'm going to start today or if that's going to be another day. Not sure. But just come with me as I do stuff today. It's just a tag along with me. So I will see you guys in a few. Bye.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back? You're better.